There's Mama back with the food for the baby. Oh yeah, you can see it. Guys are running their weed whackers, so bear with me. Well, we did get her coming in here. Oh, there's a head coming up. Look at that. Well, we know there's at least one. Too bad about the weed whackers, but like I say, you have to bear with me. How cool is this? Well, there she is. She just flew in with the food, and I see one head for sure. Hopefully we got at least two. Well, last year they had 5, you know, and we just kept counting. We were surprised when we wound up with 5. But here she is. She flew in, and that's her cackling. She's tired of that racket too. We don't like them weed whackers. Well, anyway, she's in the nest. She's got the food for the youngsters, so we'll see what happens. We'll run the feeding call. It's too bad. We can always put it on silent and play it that way. I'm going to try to come down a little bit. There we are. We'll start right there again. But our lighting looks pretty good. A little head coming up. Oh boy, look at that. This little back popped up that time, so. Alright. These little guys are having a good time getting fed here. I think I'm going to just turn this off and try it again. Over.